just killed this chicken, took it out of a tumbler with water, and now let's see what he's got to do. The filming may not be nice, but please watch this. It's going to be very promising. Hello, carry on. Do your thing. Go. Oh, this is really hot water.
Senyum. Orang mati macam mana senyum?
Oh, shower.
After the feather, remove the feather.
Yeah, that's what I want to see. So this is hot water, yeah?
Yeah, hot water, yeah.
Okay, oh poor bird. Maybe I will not eat chicken after this.
Oh yeah, God.
Oh, wait. Let me come over. Chicken dancing. Oh my God, I don't eat any chicken after this. Okay. Oh, it's really quick. Oh my God. Can I see it? Show me your baby.
My God,
Please tell me this chicken was already dead. Yummy. Wow. I am actually speechless. That's the gallbladder, isn't it?
No, this kidney, is it? This one. He's moving this one.
Oh, which one is this? Oh.
This one. Yeah, you put inside. Wow, so far.
Thank you so much. I actually don't know what to say for a change. You know, that makes a real big change in my life. I think this is the last chicken post you see.
Cleaning this one.
What is that, Lee?
I don't know. Is it the
Kidney, isn't it?
kidney or I don't know. Kidney or
Right. Okay, this is Clouds in the kitchen. Thanks for watching.